How to reset Jisulife fan E3 error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset the Jisulife fan E3 error. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, step number 1 is resetting the device. So go ahead and power off the fan and ensure that the fan is turned off completely before attempting a reset, and then press and hold the power button. After turning the fan off, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action can reset the device and resolve the prevailing errors. On step 2, firmware update. If the error persists, consider updating your fan firmware. Some users have found that performing a firmware update can resolve persistent error codes. So you can download this application available, which is on both iOS and Android. And then turn on your Jisulife fan and open up that application. And then load the firmware update file that you can download from this provided link available, and then transfer the firmware update from your computer to the OTA app and follow the in-app instructions to complete the firmware update. And then if none of those steps work, it may be necessary to contact the Jisulife customer support for further assistance at potential repairs. Do that and you should be able to reset the Jisulife fan E3 error for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.